Hey guys, it's Laura. Today's workout is a time-efficient strength workout that utilizes drop sets and pyramid sets to maximize muscle growth in less time. We'll start with upper body and move to squats and lunges. So choose weights that challenge you with good form. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, we are going to do they're called strip sets or drop sets. That means you keep going down in weight. Pick the heaviest weight that you can do an overhead press for no more than 8 reps. All right? And you can be totally guessing. I'm going to start with 20 because I know I can do, well, I think I can do 20. I did a lot of med ball. 8 will go down and 8 and we'll go down. All right? Depending on how many weights you got. All right? Right by your shoulders. Up. 4, 5, I'm going to count the reps. So 6, you might be moving at a different speed than me. 7, 8, I'm going to go down to 15. 5 is a big drop in the upper body. So it's going to feel much lighter for a couple of reps. All right, we got 8 reps. You ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep your abs tight. Remember, your core is helping. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going down one more. I'm going to 10. 4, 3, 2, go. 1. Oh, that feels so much better. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, biceps. Is that with shoulders and triceps? Same thing. Okay, 8, 8, 8. I'm going to do 20. Maybe I should stay close to my weight. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. Oh. Remember, you go at your own pace. If I'm going faster than you, don't worry about me. You just do your thing. 4. Keep those wrists straight. 7, 8. I'm going down. I wish I had 17 and a half. Those are like unicorn weights. They're really hard to find. 4, 3, 2, and go. Drop sets are a great way to get stronger faster. Plus it builds muscle endurance because you keep going. That's 4. Keep those shoulders down. 6, you if you fall. 7 and 8. Okay, I'm going down one more. Get my 10. All right, here we go. Last set. Oh, gotta love that 10. Let those arms straighten, but don't stay there too long. 6. You might be at a different number. Don't worry about it. 7 and 8. Okay. We got one more thing for the upper body, and that is overhead tricep. Now, if you have tight shoulders, okay, if you feel like you can't get your shoulders back and you're here, I would do a kickback, but you're going to need to go lighter because that is much harder to do than this. I like to do the overhead because you get the long head of the tricep. You don't get it as much here. So I'm going to use one dumbbell. I'm going to do the 20. I think I could do 25, but the problem is It's hard to grip. I know, for me. All right, here we go. All the way down. Full extension.
Just running from the demons in your mind.
So obviously if you're doing the kickback, you have 2 weights and they're lighter. Keep those elbows high if you're on the kickback. 7 and 8. I'm gonna keep this, it was too light, but if that felt like it's hard, go down and wait. If it felt like you could have done more, keep the same weight. Okay, here we go. Down, up. I kind of knew it was going to be too light. Try to pull evenly with both arms. 4, keep that chin tucked. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to go down. Last one, then we're moving on. All right, here we go. Try to go to a stretch point down here so you work that full range of motion. Try to straighten that elbow. 5, 1 more. Nice. Okay. We have legs. I feel like my heart rate's come down. What about you guys? You feel good? You feel good? Okay. Get a little sip. So we got 3 variations of the squat from most people. And this might not be you. Most people can go deeper on the wider stance. And then we'll go to medium stance, and then we'll go close grip. We've done these before. I'm actually gonna go pretty heavy, well, heavy. I'm gonna do 35. I've been trying to go heavier lately since I'm all healed up. So on the sumo, hopefully my feet don't slide. That wouldn't be pretty. Okay, press those knees outward. And we got 8 reps on each. Okay, ready? Keep that chest up. So you're a little more upright with the torso. Try to get the hips down. 5, 6, push the floor away. 7, 8. I'm gonna keep that. Go down to 220s, because now it's medium stance, moderate stance. So I'm gonna hold 2 weights. That's 40 pounds. Okay, here we go. 8, 1. So feet are wider than hip width, but not sumo. Sit back. Seven and 8. Okay. Narrow stance. This is the one where you may, especially if you got long femurs, long thigh bones, you may not be able to sit as far down. Feet inside hip width.
Let's go.
Sit back. Now, I kind of left something out. We're going to go back up. I know. Sit back. Okay, I think we got one more. Okay, we're going back up. I know, that was a dirty trick. Back to moderate stance. Now, sometimes I do that on purpose. Today was not that, okay? But no, I do that sometimes. I'll be truthful about it. Okay, outside hip width. Center up. Try not to shift to your dominant side. Try not to drop the chest. 7 and 8. Okay, we're back to that wide stance or sumo stance. I'm at 35. Where are the numbers? There we go. 8-ish.
Let's go.
And we're moving on. Press those knees outwards, shoulders back.
Let's go.
Try to get those hips down. Don't let those knees cave in.
Let's go.
6, 7, keep your abs in. 7, 8. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I know, speak for myself. We're gonna do reps, the pyramid, instead of weight. Yeah. Okay, don't look at the number I'm holding. I got 12. So we're gonna do 8 reps, and then 8 reps. We're doing reverse lunge. If you prefer forward lunge, you can do that. If you prefer a split stance, so your foot's not going out and in, you can do that, okay? This will make sense in a minute. 2. Remember, don't go back with your leg, okay? Stay forward. Drive into that front heel. It should not lift. 5, 6, 7. One more. And 8. Okay, we're gonna switch sides and we got 8. 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. Keep that front knee stable. Keep those shoulders back. 6, 7, 8. We're back on the first leg. We got 10. 3, 2, go. 1, 2. Try to get that back knee as close to the floor as you can. Here's 6, 7, 1 more. Quick rest. All right, here we go. 10. This is my better side. 2. 4. 5. Heart rate's probably up. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. We got one more set. We're not going back down, I swear. That's my promise to you. 4, 3, 2. Now we got 12. 2, 3, 6, 8. Now, if you need to rest, rest. That's going to affect your form. It's 10, 11, 12. Okay, here's the last one. Okay, 12 reps. Go. 1, 3, 4, 5. Remember to drive into that front heel to come off. Up. Keeps pressure off the knee. 7, 8, 10. Only 2 more. 11 and 12. Holy smokes. Oh, we made it. All right, you guys good? You good? All right, big inhale. Exhale. One more. Okay, take your feet wide. We're gonna slow it down. So feet apart, shift, lean away from that straight leg. Feel that stretch. And if you turn your hip a little bit, you'll get into the hamstring as well. Okay, go the other way. Lean away so you get that strong stretch. Now you can turn, get some of that hamstring, groin muscles. Okay, slide your feet about hip width, come down, and release. We did a lot of core work. So release that lower back, release those hips. Okay, come all the way up. Big step back. Curl that hip under, lean back. Feel that hip flexor. You can even lean forward a little bit more. So you feel that hip flexor. Those lunges, and of course the squats. They get those quads. See if you can lean a little further back. That bothers your back, don't lean that far back. Okay, switch stance, or sides. Way back there. Nice wide space there. Curl the hips. You can shift. You deepen that stretch. You want to tighten the glute to release the hip flexor. Okay, step in. Hand on your side. Reach up as high as you can, and then over. Shift your hip. So it's not here. Lift. Reach. Release that lat. Release your oblique. Go the other way. Shift your feet. Shift your hip. Reach. Bring yourself up and open up. Those shoulders did a lot of work. If you held a dumbbell or med ball. Up, back here, chin down, and then bring one hand over. Don't force it, take that shoulder down. And switch sides. So get that shoulder away. Remember, gentle pressure. Okay, release that. One more big breath.
Baby girl, just a little bit.
Oh my goodness, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you have an amazing day. Great job on that drop set strength. How do you feel? I hope you feel great. Now, check out this playlist right here. All core work, standing, sitting, weight or no weight. And if you need a relaxing stretch, check this out right here. All right, I'll see you next time. Be kind to yourself.